Hello traders, it's Friday, we've made it. It's Friday the 20th of October to be exact. And as always, guys, we're going to look back at yesterday's trades, we're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. Strap in, let's do this. So let's start with yesterday's trades and the trade that I actually took. This was the only trade I took yesterday. And this is Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and we were looking to sell it. Why were we looking to sell it? Well, we are at a very important weekly resistance level. Okay, first and foremost, this is the weekly. Just wanted to show you that level. And then if we drop down to the day chart, guys, you can see we are in a downtrend. Okay, so we had higher highs, higher lows, and then it broke. As soon as it broke these lows, we then have lower lows. We have had a trend change. Okay, price has now come back up to there. Here, is this the new lower high? Yeah, it might be. Okay, so structurally we're in a downtrend. If we zoom in now, guys, we've also had, you know, we've got the moving average 20. We're below the moving average 20, and we had this nice bearish candle that formed as well. All right, so the idea was just to take it back down to these last lows, guys. Okay, and you've got to remember, this is important weekly resistance, guys. You know, there are sellers sitting in here. So lots of reasons to sell this pair. If we now drop down to the H4, the main reason to sell this pair was a break of H4 structure. That was the catalyst. Okay, so you can see on the H4, we just began to range, okay, between this level and this level. Okay, and then yesterday we just wanted to see a break specifically of this last low here, and we did get a break with this candle. This candle broke that low. That is a structure break for me. Okay, and then all we were looking to do, guys, is to capitalize on that structure break, is, you know, let price come back up here. I'm actually building a trade. Yeah, so I got in here. I also got in again here. All right, so I'm currently in here and my stop's up here, guys. All right, so I'm in this trade. I've had a couple of, I've fired a couple of shots at it. And yeah, let's see what happens today. I think this could be a really nice level now. Yeah, because not only have you got the moving average 20 coming down, this is the last H4 high. So I really like this level now in here. Yeah, so if you get a reaction here, guys, I still think this is a sell trade. Okay, so yeah, I'm in this trade. The idea is still to take it, you know, down to that blue line, guys. So we'll see how this trade plays out today. All right, but that's what I mean. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, just a simple structure break, you know, retest, got in early, yeah, but got in again. Okay, and that's where we are so far. And also, guys, nice to see this bearish H4 candle form. So yeah, still in this trade, guys. The next one from yesterday was this. It was Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc. But, you know, no trade, guys. If you go to the day chart, you know, because there's this important gray zone through here, and this candle had broken that level, okay? Because a lot of people were thinking, will we get a bounce off this level? And we just didn't. This candle just sailed through this support. And the idea was just to take price back down to these last lows. Okay, and that's exactly what happened, guys. But yeah, we just didn't get a retrace. Yeah, if I show, I mean, you can see it on the daily, but if I just show you on the H4 as well, you know, we wanted to see price, you know, potentially at least come to the moving average 20, if not these last lows. Okay, so somewhere in here, and then we would have taken it lower. But instead, Elvis had left the building. Yeah, we couldn't get in on that, guys, unfortunately. So yeah, those were the two trades from yesterday, guys. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed yesterday's analysis, then come join us. Yeah, I give you my trade ideas every day, my analysis, my grey zone. So come join us, guys. Subscribe to the channel right now. We'd love to have you. Also, guys, please smash the notification button so we receive an alert every time we post a vid. And also, guys, if everyone could please smash the like button. It really helps support the video, the channel, everything. It supports everything. Yeah, thank you, guys. So before we look at trades for today, Friday the 20th of October, let me just mention a few things the channel does. You might be interested. So first of all, guys, we have a free Discord channel. It's free, so come join it. We got traders in there sharing knowledge, ideas. We've got useful links, books, indicators, psychology, loads of cool things in there, guys. Come join the free Discord. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, we also have VIP Discord channel. You do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. All right. We also have 2 other expert traders sharing their ideas. I give you exclusive content every single week. Also, guys, you get access to a performance coach should you require one. And we're testing a new strategy. So there's loads of cool things going on, guys. Come join the VIP Discord. The link is in the video description. Something in my eye. The next thing we do, guys, is a mentorship program. If you would like to learn how to read the charts like I do, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. The email is in the video description. So check it out. And finally, guys, we also have YouTube membership. So if you would like to show your support for the channel, maybe you watch the live stream every day, the analysis vid, then you can show your support by becoming a YouTube Simply Forex member. We've got different tiers, guys. We've got supporter, gold, and legendary. I remembered them this time. And each tier has its own perks, guys. So check it all out. All of those things are in the video description. Right, trades for Friday the 20th of October. Before we look at the actual trade ideas, we just want to look at a couple of things because we spoke about these in the live stream yesterday. And we were seeing, you know, the S&P and the NASDAQ was in this tug of war, guys. Yeah, we were like, will it go up? Will it go down? Yeah, it was in this level here, which is basically indecision. But now, yesterday, we had a clear indication that price wants to come lower, okay? And this would be a potential trade idea, but look at the weekly candle. Yeah, this weekly candle. Do I want to sell into that? I know there's buyers in here. You know, do I want to sell into that? And the answer is no, really. But if you look at the day chart, we've clearly had a structure breakdown. It's also the same for the NASDAQ. We were talking about this in the live stream. And you can see it's you know, bounced off of this channel, guys. And again, you know, if we look at price action, yeah, we were in an uptrend. And now, bang, we've broken these lows here. We're in a downtrend. And potentially we could take price back down to here. So I might take one of these trades, guys. If I get a nice enough retrace, I might come lower. But again, guys, you've got to bear in mind, look at the, you know, there's a lot of weekly buyers in here. You know, so do I want to push that? You know, it's this descending triangle that I was talking about, guys. Yeah, so it might just want to keep doing this until we get a break either side, either to the upside or to the downside. So interesting. I just wanted to show you those indices because they are interesting, guys, but potentially maybe not a trade today. But we do have some trades today. So first of all, let's look at Euro Pound. Okay, so if we start with Euro Pound, guys, let's start with the daily chart. So as you can see, there was this important resist. This is a weekly resistance level. All right, so we need to be careful here because this is a weekly resistance level. Let me remove some of these old targets. Okay, so yeah, this is a weekly resistance level, but we've clearly had a nice break of that level, yeah, with the day chart. Okay, so this is the day candle, you know, and now we're clearly in an uptrend. If we follow structure, bang, this is what we're seeing. We're now in an uptrend, guys. Okay, and we broke all of these highs. So we're looking to buy euro pound. But one thing I am wary of, guys, is this is a weekly level. So if this weekly level price closes back in this by end of play today, then I will want to get out of my trade. I'm not interested. But if it sustains this upward momentum and breaks above this today, then I'm happy to stay in any if I get into the trade. All right, so bear that in mind. But daily, you know, clear break, very bullish candle. You know, we like this. If we drop down to the H4 now, guys, I keep looking at the H4 because it's the H4 that keeps giving me my levels. Yeah, and I've been trading the H4 a lot more, guys. I do keep a, looking at the H1 as well to help me with entries, but H4 has been making things a little bit clearer. And as you can see, guys, on the H4, we are clearly in an uptrend. All right. What we want to see is price come back down to here, maybe test this low, maybe test these last highs, which is why we have this grey box. All right. Perhaps the moving average 20 comes up as well. I think this could be a nice area in here for euro pound. Yeah, we get a bullish reaction and then we can start buying euro pound, guys. All right. So that's what we're looking for with this pair. The next trade idea today is oil. Yeah, the black gold. It's rife in this part of the world. Doesn't cost a lot to fill up my tank. So, day chart. Let's start with the day chart. But let's start with the weekly. Yeah, because, you know, weekly we are clearly, you know, in an uptrend, guys. And we said this was a really nice level and prices, you know, potentially we can take price back up to here. If we now go down to the day chart, what are we seeing? So yesterday, again in the live stream, we were thinking, what will price do at this level? Yeah, and what price has done at that level is just absolutely break through it with this candle. And if you also think about structure, you know, we are in, I might even say that, we're in an uptrend. Okay, so we're in an uptrend. We've got a bullish green candle. We're above the moving average 20, and we've got a bit of room to move into before we hit this grey zone again. All right, so we're looking to buy oil for those reasons. If we drop down to the H4, I don't think there's any need to change that grey zone. I mean, it's a bit of a daily grey zone, but also a H4 grey zone. You know, price has reacted many times in here previously. So that's what I want to see, guys. I want to see price retrace into this grey zone. Again, what I really like to see is horizontal support and the moving average 20 catches up. You know, I really like this setup. Okay, once we see something like this, we can then start to buy oil back up to there. So that's the trade idea with oil, guys. We're looking to buy that. It could come down as far as this level. You know, let's say it retraces down to this level. I can't see that happening because of the bullishness of that daily candle, you know, but it could. And we're still with H4 structure here. Yeah, we haven't had a H4 structure break, so that could be okay as well. So yeah, oil. And the last one, guys, is deja vu. We're still looking at Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. So remember, guys, this grey zone is a weekly resistance level. So to point that out first and foremost, that's a weekly resistance level. And now if we zoom in a little bit, not only are we at a weekly resistance level, we've had a break in daily structure. Okay. So yeah, we've got lower lows, lower highs, potentially lower highs. They haven't been confirmed yet, but, you know, lower highs. We've also got bearish candle and also, you know, a bearish candle, not super bearish, but the real catalyst for this trade and to take it back down to here is the H4. All right. So if we look at the H4 now, we clearly had a break of these lows. I've adjusted my grey zone now. So we were looking for a break of this level here and specifically this low. And we got it with this candle. All right, so we've had a H4 structure break. Yeah, we're now looking for price to retrace, which it has. And we're looking for a nice area, which I believe is this grey zone here. Yeah, you can see price reacted here before. Yeah, and we've got the moving average 20 coming down. If price reaches this level, this is a nice area to sell. You know, aggressively, you could just sell this area or wait for a bearish reaction, either on the H1 or H4. Yeah, and then we can start selling this pair. All right, probably take some profit here and then leave some profit to run. All right, so CADJPY, we're also looking to sell that, guys. One more thing to show you guys, and before I do, if I can just ask everyone, if you enjoy my analysis, please subscribe to the channel right now. We'd love to have you. Also, everyone, please smash the like button. Really helps support the vid and the channel. And also, guys, don't forget all the cool things we do. We've got the free Discord channel, we've got the VIP Discord channel, we've got the mentorship program, and we've got the YouTube Simply Forex membership. So check it all out. It's all in the video description. So this is more for my VIP Discord members. So we've been discussing a weekly support and resistance strategy. And if we just look at, you know, all the Swiss franc pairs, they are all at an important weekly level, guys. So Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, you know, CAD Swiss franc, yeah, you can see that they're all at really important weekly levels, guys. This one as well, any of them really. I mean, if you look at Euro Swiss franc as well, yeah, you can see we're at a real important weekly levels. So we're just going to wait for that H4 structure break. VIP Discord members will know what I mean. All right, guys, so yeah, those are the trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Friday, the 20th of October. So overnight, we had some important CPI coming out of Japan. That was better than expected. And the important news for us today, guys, is this. At 7 o'clock, London GMT, coming out of the UK, we've got, you know, 4 bits of retail sales data. Okay, so all of these combined, you know, could move any pound pair. So must be aware of that, guys. Also coming out at the same time, we've got German PPI. So this is inflation for businesses, if you like. So, you know, this is also important. And then if we carry on down, guys, also at 1:30 London GMT, if you're in any Canadian dollar pairs, I think, again, retail sales, two bits of data coming out regarding retail sales from Canada could move any Canadian dollar pairs. And then after that, guys, you are free as a bird. It's Friday. Go enjoy yourself. All right, guys. So, yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share. Have a great trading day and a great weekend, guys. See you soon.